Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer.
Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with a serious public announcement. I'm just kidding, it's not serious. I know Christmas is coming, and if you're anything like me, you're trying to figure out what to get for those people that you care about, your mind just goes blank. Well, I'm going to share with you over the next few weeks up till Christmas awesome tools that we stand behind, and you're going to love this. Many of you remember this little rig right here. It is an air compressor, and if you remember when we did the video, we're still using it. My wife loves it. So if her air tire pressure gauge on her dash comes on and it alerts her that the pressure is down, she knows right where this is. She knows how to hook it on, hit the button, it's set for 34 pounds, boom. Don't have to get the big air compressor out, don't have to go to the gas station. I'm not here to share this, but this is an awesome tool.
Where can these tools be found, Mike?
Julio, tell everybody where all these awesome Christmas presents can be purchased.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Miguel, Jesus, Ramirez. This is another one, and if you remember, we shared this with you. This is a miniature vacuum. You can keep this in your glove box if it'll fit, or you can keep it in the trunk of your car. We did a video on this, and this thing is awesome for cleaning. Now, my main objective is this rig right here. Look at this contraption. Push this little button right here. That rotates up. It'll click down. You can do it like this. You can do it like that. So if you're trying to get down in a crack or crevice, you adjust this to where you want it. Multiple speeds. Now this here is very powerful, and it will last on high speed about 13 to 15 minutes. Let me show you what the digital charging looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like while it's charging. Pretty high-tech little unit here. It's almost full, 99%. All we have to do is this number right here. 100% charge, has a light on it right here. It has an awesome big bag that you can put this in and put it in your trunk. Keep it in your motorhome. That's high speed. That's low. On that speed, again, it will last 13 to 15 minutes. Very compact. And if you were to get this for someone, they would be very happy with it. Let's see how well it works. All right, so this part here will pull out so you can get into cracks and crevices. This brush right here is a very soft and fine brush. So cleaning your keyboards or anything that's delicate like your dash or your radio buttons, perfect right there. This one is more stiff, and it's great for cloth interiors, okay, or carpeting. So we're going to do both of them and try them out. And we're going to run it on high and see how much we drop down in the time we do this. We shut it off, and I'm actually going to push this in. Do your carpets or do the inside of your car and quick dusting of it, get it clean, and it's quiet, and you live in an apartment complex, this is the perfect tool for that because it's not really loud. Get this mess right here. Of course, I got to pull the floor mats out to do it really good. Now let's do our seat here. we can get into the seams. Now we'll go around to the other side and I'll show you how to do your dash up here. So now we're going to take the coarser brush off. We're going to put the really fine, smooth mink fur on. It's not mink fur, I'm just joking. All right, then we turn it on. And that's low. That's high. It's so soft, we can do our screen on our dash. Now we're going to use just this to clean down in the cup holders on high. We're at 79% of power still left and I've got most of it done. I'll get in here. This company is awesome. We've had great success with these guys and gals, and they're fantastic, and they really stand behind their products. I can't say enough about this. All right, so here's how you get to the dirt to empty it and clean it with water. You can clean the filter that's down inside there. You get an extra filter as well. They're washable. Make sure this is completely out like this. So you push your yellow button here, extend that back. So I push this, turn it forward, and it comes off. So I put it back, click it back, it's locked on. Push that, click it forward, comes off. And the filter's right there. You just pull that out, wash it, let it dry really, really well, and then put it back on. So I put this on, click it, push my button here, put it back in the bag, put it back in the trunk, and it's ready for any dirt that you may come up with. And it's got tons of power. You don't have to worry about it running out of power. We have not had a problem with that, but it does a great job. We stand behind it. Sweet Project Cars, out.